protects, shines, and maintains all car surfaces, interior and exterior, ensuring cleanliness, longevity, and a showroom-like appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car cleaner spray for all auto surfaces that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Griot's Garage Interior Detailer. The interior car cleaner is a must-have for keeping your vehicle spotless and protected. Designed to tackle light dust, debris, and fingerprints, it delivers a streak-free, natural finish while shielding surfaces from the sun's harmful rays. Its versatile formula is safe for all interior surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, metal, and wood, and even cleans glass screens and touch displays without leaving streaks or smears. Beyond immediate cleaning, this anti-static, dust-resistant solution helps maintain a cleaner interior for longer, reducing buildup and keeping your cabin looking pristine between detailing sessions. The cleaner also leaves a refreshing citrus scent, instantly brightening your vehicle's atmosphere. Ease of use is another standout feature. Simply mist and wipe with the included dual-weave interior towel for efficient, hassle-free results, with no greasy residue or extra passes required. Whether for daily maintenance or deep detailing, this interior car cleaner combines safety, effectiveness, and convenience, making it an essential addition to any car care routine. Now our second product is Maxlone Car Spray. The Maxlone Waterless Car Wash and Quick Detail Spray revolutionizes vehicle cleaning with effortless, no water maintenance. Designed for convenience, it allows you to clean and shine your car anytime, anywhere, no buckets, hoses, or complicated detailing routines required. Simply spray, wipe, and reveal a streak-free, professional-grade shine that rivals traditional detailing. Beyond appearance, Maxlone protects your vehicle with its advanced Tri-Phene barrier technology. This innovative triple-layer coating creates a hydrophobic and oleophobic shield that repels water, dirt, and grime, preventing buildup and reducing wash frequency. The result is not only a stunning, glossy finish but also long-lasting surface protection that preserves your car's paint and exterior quality. Ideal for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, this spray saves hours of maintenance while maintaining your vehicle's showroom condition. Compact, efficient, and highly effective, Maxlone ensures your investment stays pristine without the hassle of traditional washes. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The all-in-one car interior cleaner, SPI 22016, is a game-changer for anyone serious about vehicle care. Favored by car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike, this versatile formula cleans and protects a wide range of surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass, leaving your interior with a fresh, showroom-quality finish. Safe for dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, and navigation screens, it gently lifts dirt, dust, and body oils without causing fading or damage. Beyond cleaning, it restores natural surfaces while leaving a protective layer to resist dust, fingerprints, and everyday wear. Application is effortless, simply spray and wipe, with no rinsing or extra buffing required, making it ideal for both quick touch-ups and full interior detailing. The result is a crisp, OEM-style finish that's never greasy or slippery, keeping your interior looking new and inviting. Versatility extends beyond vehicles, making it perfect for home or office surfaces, delivering a fresh, glowing shine wherever used. Now number 4, Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. The Meguiar's Quick Interior Cleaner is a premium solution for maintaining a spotless and protected vehicle interior. Designed to safely clean all surfaces, including plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even LCD and navigation screens, its gentle, high-lubricity formula lifts dust, dirt, grime, and spills while restoring each surface's original appearance. Beyond cleaning, this interior protectant is fortified with sun-blocking agents to help prevent aging, fading, cracking, and drying, ensuring your cabin stays vibrant and well-maintained over time. The convenient spray bottle allows for quick, hassle-free application, making it perfect for fast touch-ups or more thorough detailing sessions. Its improved formula delivers deeper cleaning and leaves a rich, dark shine without any greasy residue or slippery feel, preserving a natural, factory-fresh look. Backed by 125 years of industry leadership, Meguiar's expertise ensures that every use not only enhances your vehicle's aesthetic but also protects its value, making this interior cleaner a must-have for automotive care enthusiasts. And our last choice is Ethos Car Leather Cleaner. The Ethos all-in-one leather cleaner and conditioner is a must-have for car owners seeking effortless, complete interior care. This versatile formula cleans, conditions, and protects leather, vinyl, and textured plastic surfaces in a single step, eliminating the need for multiple products and saving valuable time. With just one application, it removes dirt, grime, and stains while nourishing and shielding surfaces from harmful UV rays, preserving the original look and longevity of your car interior. Enriched with deep conditioning ingredients like beeswax, lanolin, and vitamin E, it goes beyond surface cleaning. Lanolin moisturizes leather naturally, beeswax forms a protective barrier against wear and tear, and vitamin E restores a natural, vibrant shine. The result is supple, smooth, and resilient leather that feels luxurious and looks showroom fresh. Whether for daily maintenance or deep conditioning, Ethos ensures your car seats remain soft, durable, and visually stunning, making it an essential product for premium interior care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.